Hello, welcome to my slideshow called the Chua People. It's an African tribe by Samori Kavil. Where do they live? They primarily live in the eastern zone of Zimbabwe and the northwestern part of Zimbabwe, Malawi, and Mozambique. What type of clothing do they wear? They wear t-shirts, jeans, and some will wear religious robes. That is their mask. Is it safe there? It is very safe there. They are very nice there, and the crime rates are very low. The main crops that are produced are corn and sorghum, and they also eat nasumi. Typical homes have numerous commodities that are purchased or obtained through bartering. They like R&B, jazz, or Afro pop. What children and men do for work? Children are a vulnerable source of labor, with young boys beginning to assist in farm activities around the age of 6 or 7. Men sometimes will seek outside employment, perhaps working daily salary in the nearby tea plantations of central Malawi, or involved in making and selling bricks. They dance a lot for entertainment because they believe that dancing brings spirits in constant contact. One of their special ceremonies are Kalamba ceremony. What do they use in their environment? They use wood to make their masks. I researched all I could about the Chua tribe, and I hope you like it. Goodbye.